Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to highlight text inside the PDF document or how to hide portion of text inside PDF document inside Python. So many a times you need to hide something inside PDF document, you need to highlight some kind of text. So you can do it by different colors such as black, yellow, red. Accordingly you can choose your color. So you can see multiple times the occurrences of the text. You can just search it, provide it inside the application, and it will automatically hide that text for you. So you can see this is a live demo here. So you can see black background color is there, so you cannot see this text. So this is very much useful in many kind of applications. So all the source code regarding this application I have given in the video description. So this is my blog post that I have written here, step-by-step blog post. So this is a single file that you will need here. This is simple app.py. So I will be showing you step-by-step process on how to use this. So if you want this source code, the link will be there inside video description of the blog post. So let me start the application. So let me delete this and restart the application. So this is a sample.pdf file. Let me also delete this and delete this. So first of all, you need to open a text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code text editor. Make sure that you have Python installed on your computer. Just make app.py and now go to my blog post and I have given the all the source code. Simply you need to select this all this code here which is there like this, copy this and paste it. So now this is the code, guys. You can see 298 lines of code is there. So after that you need not have to install any sort of library, third-party library. It is all pure Python code. So now to run this file, guys, you need a PDF document here. So you can just download it inside from internet. Just write sample PDF document and install, download this PDF document inside your working directory. So this is sample.pdf here. So now if I open this, you will see nothing will be there. It is just containing two pages. This is the first page. This is second page. So let's suppose we need to highlight some kind of text here. So we need to search for PDF inside this. The PDF is repeating here also, and in the second page also, here also. So we need to highlight this. So what we can do is that we can run this application like this on the command lines, Python, then the name of the file which is app.py, and then we need to provide the input file name which is -i, which is followed by Python or PDF file name which is sample.pdf. So this is a path. So simply this is present inside the same directory. So I'm just writing sample.pdf. After that, guys, if you go to the blog post, you will see this command here. Simply you need to copy paste this. We have a -a option here. You need to write -a, and then we have four options. Either we can highlight this, redact this, frame this, all that stuff. First of all, I will be showing you how to highlight this. Highlight, and we will need to provide this text here. So dot s, and then inside double quotes you will write PDF in all capital letters. That's it. If you run this command here, it will look for this PDF search string occurrences inside PDF document, and it will highlight it with a yellow color. If I execute this, you will see found search string PDF sample.pdf. It find out two occurrences. So it has modified the file here. So if I once again open this, you will see it has highlighted this PDF file, PDF text here with the yellow background color, PDF, PDF, and again PDF. So this is for highlighting, guys. Now if you want to remove this highlighting, it is pretty easy. You need not have to, again you need to write python app.py and then provide the input file name which is sample.pdf and -a, then write remove. That's it. Just remove it. Sorry, this needs to be capital letters. Remove. That's it. So it will remove all the highlighting which was done. If I once again reload the page here, you will see the highlighting is gone. So you will see nothing is there. So here you can just pass some options here if you want to hide the text. So I have shown you all the options here. So these are the options. If you want to underline something here, you can pass here underline. So inside this command here, instead of highlight, we need to underline. So we can type here underline. So once again, if I reload this sample.pdf. So you can see it is underlining with green color. So it is underlining it. So accordingly, you can choose whatever you want. Then we have, again, we can remove this like this. So once again, if I refresh, it has removed this highlighting. So next option we have is then we have strike out. Sorry, so once again, if I refresh it, so you will see it has strike out this line here. You can see like this with the red color. You can change all the colors inside the application. You can modify this Python code accordingly. You can change the colors as well. So you need not have to use red, yellow color. So this is strikeout. Then we have this option redact. So this will hide the text for you. So let me first of all remove this highlighting, and then we can pass this option which is redact. So once again, if I refresh it, you will see it will put a black background here. You cannot see this text here, so it has hidden this text here, so you cannot see this text. So next option we have is again we need to remove this. So next option we have is frame. So once again, if I refresh it, so this will be this here, like this. Let me remove this first of all. Oh, I think if you use this option, which is redact, I think you cannot remove this highlighting. So if you redact it with a black background color, you need to again download this file here from internet. So you cannot revert this effect. So again, we need to download brand new file here. Let me call this as sample2. Sample2.pdf, and now we will use the frame. So now if I open this sample.pdf file here, you will see it has put a frame here of red color. So it has contained border as well. So you will see it's kind of a frame here. So now we can remove this obviously. So if I refresh it, you can see highlighting is removed. So if you use the redact option, then you cannot remove that highlighting. So it is permanent effect. Last but not least, we have this option switchingly. Let me also do this. So again, if I refresh it, you will see again this is kind of a redact effect. It puts a black background color. So we cannot remove this. I think this is, oh sorry, this was sample dot. So just wait. Let me put here. So this is sample.pdf. So you can see this is the effect here. Switchingly, this is the effect. This is kind of a curved line here. This is kind of an underline. So this was the effect that you make inside your text inside PDF document. So all the source code of the application will be there inside video description. So thanks very much for watching this video.